Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live, and we're going to look at a special Montana today. This is the 2023 Montana 3941 front office fifth wheel. Okay, we are going to have a look at the Montana. On the outside, got these lithium battery storage down here in the generator bay. Kind of hard to see in there. Propane. Pass-through compartment. Outside kitchen area. And they got a full cargo area back here. Probably 4 foot, 3.5 foot tall, 3 foot tall probably. With a MoRide pull-out chassis or a pull-out drawer. Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Let's head inside and take a look. The 3941 FO. MSRP $141,231, show price $112,985. Okay, here's the. Let's go to the left back here and let's go through the kitchen area. All right, so we got a kitchen here, a little dinette with a couple people, 4 people that can sit there. Got a kitchen area down here, full-size refrigerator. Pantry area. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us.
Which is a great idea.
Full pantry here. Plenty of space for storage. Soft closed doors.
So I have a little bit extra. I can use it when I'm cooking, but that's okay. I can, yeah, coffee maker there, toaster.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That slides out.
Yeah, both sides.
Yeah.
And these slide out drawers. Give you more counter space down here on both sides. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV. Double-sized sink. Let's go through here. Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video. Got all your controls here. Nothing there. All right. We've got a big seating area up here with a front living space. There with a big TV and a fireplace and JBL, and you got your standard sort of loungers up here. Standard, they look like they're pretty upgraded. They got heat, massage, all kind of angles you can lay in. But this is what's really unique about this model. The 3941 FO's got a separated area here that you can sit in, work, and enjoy your view. Close the door and be separated from everybody else in the cabin if you wanted to do that. Enough storage here to put stuff, printers or whatever you want on the countertops. Your laser printer or whatever you might want to put in there. Got a little step up there.
The office is nice.
For somebody that works from
Really nice.
the RV, it's pretty
You want
cool.
to work from home in your RV and start traveling the country like Kelli and I do on Only Have One Life to Live, and so many other folks are enjoying what they're getting done and starting today, not waiting on tomorrow to come around.
Where in Piece of Rubber?
Bathroom here. Let's have a look at it. Fiberglass shower, one piece. There's no walls, nothing to leak around the edges and things like that. Barn door. There's blind there. Some deep cabinets there. Can't tell you how deep those are because my arm won't go all the way back there. Still another 8 inches past my arm. Well, those are pretty deep. And then let's go this way into the master bedroom. There's the bedroom. Storage, shoe storage, or whatever you need. Looks like this is maybe a dirty clothes hamper. Yep, dirty clothes hamper. Hanging closet. And this is where the shower, this is where the washer and dryer would go if we needed that. I don't know how we would get by with one full-timing. Gotta have a washer and dryer for us anyway.
Hey there, how are you? Scott.
Oh, okay. I'm glad they said that. Those are CPAP shelves over there. I would not have known what those shelves were going to be used for. I would have assumed your phone or something, but those are for CPAP machines, in case you needed that. There's power and USB there, so I assume you could use it for your phones or whatever you wanted to put up there.
Originally they were supposed to have a second. Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.